Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are flying to Singapore. So we'll be flying through Scoot Airlines, which is a budget airlines for Singapore Airlines. And then from Singapore to the Philippines, we'll be flying via Singapore Airlines. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And yeah, that's it. See you in a bit. And now we are in Singapore. So, nasa Grab ako ngayon guys. Nag-book na lang ako kasi nakakapagod nakakapagod yung biyahe. Tapos, ayoko munang ma-stress sa bus tsaka sa train. So, kaya nag-Grab muna tayo. Mahal pero at least it's convenient and I can rest well. So, I'll be staying here in Holiday Inn Express. I think it's in Serangonon if I'm saying it correctly. So I'm just waiting for my key to be given to me. Tapos diretso na tayo sa room natin. So check natin yung room kung maganda ba siya. Hopefully, spacious siya para hindi tayo konti. So, yeah. So, here's the room. So, looking at it, maganda naman yung room. And medyo maluwag. Medyo maluwag naman siya. So, hindi tayo dito para hindi tayo dito hindi tayo magipagsiksikan dito. So, which is a good thing. I think I got this 6,000 pesos per night, which is actually, I think, good na here in Singapore. Kasi medyo mahal yung mga hotel kasi dito. So, yeah, I have 2 beds. Even though I requested for a king, well, they gave me twin, but it's okay. I mean, that will work. So, yeah, it's clean and mabango yung room. Walang amoy. So, yeah. By the way guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Singapore because I'll be joining the Singapore Marathon. Pero hindi ako tatagbo sa marathon. I originally did 21. I originally registered for 21 kilometers pero I think with my training na hindi siya masyadong maganda. So I opted out and just joined 5 kilometers. So, since nabook ko na yung lahat, and, sayang naman, so, I'll just join the 5 kilometers na lang. Para at least, makakatakbo pa rin tayo dito. So, ito yung train nila. Pupunta ako ngayon to pick up my race kit. So, ito yung, maganda yung transportation system nila dito, guys. It's very convenient. Tapos, hindi ka maliligaw kasi merong mga mapa. So, as long as you understand kung ano yung ruta ng bawat train, hindi ka talaga maliligaw dito. Tapos, sa loob, sasabihin na yung ano kung ano yung station na magsa-stop yung train. So, yeah, very convenient. So, so lakad-lakad tayo, guys. You know what's funny? Whenever we travel abroad, yung steps talaga natin aabot ng mga 15,000 to 20,000. Sometimes nga sobra pa kasi um, all about walking. Pero sa bahay natin, hindi man lang tayo makakapag, ewan, mga 2,000 steps lang siguro tayo. Pero medyo malayo yung lalakarin natin galing sa train station to Marina Bay Sands. So, yeah. Pagkatapos ng mahabang lakaran, nandito na tayo sa Marina Bay Sands. Tapos bababa tayo, guys, kasi nandun yung kung saan yung expo ng Singapore Marathon. So, lakad na naman tayo. Pero it's good as an exercise dito. So, feeling ko pag dito tayo magstay sa Singapore, hindi tayo tataba. Kasi, mababurn lang yung calories na kinakain natin kasi ano dito lakad-lakad-lakad. So, yeah, lakad lang tayo and then baba tayo sa escalator. I think dalawa yata yung bababaan natin escalator bago yung expo, kung saan yung expo. So, yep.
A few moments later.
Ayan, after 1 million years, lang. So, yan, after ng mahabang lakaran, guys, I'm here na sa expo. Sabi, welcome runners. So, yeah, hopefully maganda yung kakalabasan ng running natin, guys. I mean, I just, yung hobby ng running is, I just discovered it I think 2 years ago. Maganda pala siya sa feeling. Pero, I was joining runs in Manila, but then But then kasi pare-pareho lang yung ruta. So, I guess I got tired of it. And that's why I decided to just try running, just try to join runs in another country. Of course, hindi lang tayo magra-run. We can also do pasyal-pasyal para, there's purpose. Not just to, to discover the city, but also to run with other runners, which is a very good feeling. And also, it's a very good experience. So, ganito yung expo nila, guys. Maganda yung setup. It's not crowded, and maganda yung very organized naman siya. And yeah, there's a lot of people, a lot of runners, and I think I saw some Filipinos also running here. They'll be running the marathon. So yeah, I mean, it's really nice to run abroad kasi you'll see, you'll meet different people from different countries, and it's a good way to socialize with people that have the same hobby as you. So, tapos dito mo makikita nyo guys yung mga names ng mga sumali. So, yan, sila lahat. Yun yung mga names ng sasali sa 21.1 kilometer, which is half marathon. Tapos meron din doon sa yung full marathon, nandun din yung names. And then with the 5 kilometers, also at 10 kilometers, nandun lahat yung names. So, ng mga sasali. Tapos yan yung medal nila. Maganda yung medal nila. So, yun guys. So, tapos na tayo mag-pick up ng race kit natin. And then, exit na tayo. And, uwi na tayo sa hotel para makapagpahinga tayo before dinner. And, yep, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the day 2 of my Singapore trip. Bye-bye!